Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be breaking down one of the effective tools for trend trading. Okay, and that tool we are going to be looking at specifically is the auto trend lines channels indicator. Okay, I will add the indicator to the chart right now. The auto trend lines channels indicator. So this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, all right, now this indicator, as you can see, automatically detects market swings. All right, you can see it detects market swings, it connects them and plots trend lines. All right, it plots trend channels. In fact, it's channels that it plots. All right, it identifies the swings, it connects the swings, and it plots trend channels automatically on your chart. So this makes it easy to spot reversals and breakouts. Now let's just look at how it works and how you can use it to improve your trading. Okay, first of all, what is this indicator to start with? The auto trend channels, the auto trend lines channels indicator. It is designed to eliminate the hassle of manually drawing trend lines. Okay, so instead it automatically detects price swings and plots dynamic trend channels that highlight support and resistance levels. So what it does is that it connects the highs and the lows of the market. You can see these were highs that were connected. Can you see that? These were actually highs that were connected. These were lows that were connected, right? Okay, this one, we had a breakout here. We had a breakout here. You can see that this green changed to red. It was green because we had an uptrend. Can you see? We had an uptrend. Can you see? But suddenly a downtrend was realized. Can you see? It seemed as if a downtrend, but it's like the downtrend has not yet been verified, because initially it looked as if there was a breakout to the downside, and then suddenly it felt as if the price is now still making higher highs and higher lows, but the red lines are still prevailing. Okay, well, we're depending on the direction that the market eventually takes. Yeah, if the market continues to take the upward direction, then of course it's going to still remain a bullish move. But if the market should continue, downward, this could just be a retest, right? Because based on what we can see here, this was like a breakout and a retest structure. So it depends. If price, starts coming down, making lower highs and lower lows, then we should be looking for sell opportunities, right? But if price should continue making higher highs and higher lows, then it means that maybe this was just, a part of the broader move. Can you see that the red lines remain, the green lines remained, right? Okay, so basically what I'm just trying to say is that this indicator makes it easy to spot breakouts, spot reversals. It's quite an effective indicator, right? Because it helps you to just detect price swings and plot the channels, the dynamic trend channels for you automatically, all right? It displays solid bold lines for major trend lines and dotted lines for secondary trend lines. You can see these dotted lines. The dotted lines represent the secondary trend lines, while the bold lines represent the major trend lines. Okay, so it identifies the direction of the market, upward for bullish trends and downward for bearish trends. All right. Now, why is this indicator important? You might be asking. One is that beginners can use it to identify trend signals without manually drawing trend lines. So it actually makes, analysis easier for beginners. Okay. And then even experienced traders can save time on multi-chart analysis. If you are an experienced trader who analyzes price action, market structure across different charts, okay, now you will notice that because this indicator automatically identifies, key price channels for you, it can save you time, because once you plot the indicator on different charts, will be different currencies or different time frames, you will notice that the time you would have spent analyzing and plotting out your channels yourself, the indicator will do it automatically for you. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't still do some manual input. You can do that, right? But what I'm just saying is that the indicator can actually help you in just automatically plotting those levels for you and saving you some time at least. All right. And it's also, of course, helps you to spot trend reversals, breakouts, and trade setups. All right. So let's just quickly look at two main ways that you can use this indicator before we round up. All right. One is, of course, after the indicator has identified the prevailing trend, with the aid of the trend lines, you're going to know whether it's a buy trend that is prevailing or a sell trend. So once a trend has been identified, in this case, we have a buy trend, right? And then you notice that price bounces off the lower trend line, right? Once price bounces off the lower trend line, which is serving as a support, it signals a potential buying opportunity. Okay, so traders can enter a buy trade and ride the trend higher. All right, so this was a good opportunity to buy. Here again was a good opportunity to buy, right? Okay, so for a sell, you should be selling at resistance. When price rejects an upper trend line, the upper trend line is the resistance, right? When price rejects an upper trend line, it signals a potential sell opportunity. So once you get your confirmation, you can enter a sell trade and capture the downside move. So this was a good sell opportunity. This was another good sell opportunity. This was another good sell opportunity. Okay, but if you are selling in a bullish trend, you have to be careful, okay? Because it could just be a mere pullback. So you have to be careful if you are selling in a bullish trend or if you are buying in a bearish trend. Just exercise extra caution, all right? And watch out for signs of continuations, okay? Of the continuation of the original trend. So you have to be very cautious if you are counter trend trading. If you are engaging in counter trend trading, okay? Now, if the trend channel is moving upwards, like what we have here, then it is clear that the market is in a bullish trend. All right. On the other hand, if the trend channel is moving downwards, then it is clear that the market is in a bearish trend in that case. So combining the indicator with price action strategies is important. To get the best trading signals, it's important to combine the auto trend lines channels indicator with price action. And some key techniques include pin bar rejections. If a pin bar forms at a trend line, for example, you notice a pin bar form around the trend line, right? For example, you can see what we have here. It confirms a reversal. All right. You can also be looking out for inside bar breakout. If an inside bar forms at a trend line and breaks out, it signals a trend confirmation or continuation rather. Okay, and then some key techniques also. Another key technique also include false breakout. Right, if price breaks a trend line but quickly reverses, you can see what happened here. This was a false breakout, right? Because the price went beyond the trend line resistance. So if price breaks a trend line but quickly reverses, it signals a fake out. So this trend line indicator, as it plots your levels for you, once price breaks out of that level, ensure that the next candle closes outside the level. For example, this was the candle that broke out. The next candle should close above, then wait for a retest before confirming the breakout. But if the next candle closes below, then it could be a false breakout. In the case of a sell breakout, if the candle closes above, that is, if it closes inside the channel, basically, when the candle closes inside the channel, it could be a false breakout. But if the candle closes outside the channel in the direction of the possible breakout, then that is when you should now be looking out for a retest. Okay. In the case of a sell, if the candle should, maybe this is the candle that broke out, then the next candle, if the next candle should close outside, then that's when you should be looking out for a possible retest and continuation. But if it happens that the candle closes inside, then it could be a false breakout. So be very careful. Basically, just be careful so that you don't fall a victim of a false breakout. Okay, now this indicator can actually be a very valuable addition to any trader's toolkit if they want to eliminate the need to manually draw trend lines, because the indicator also works on all time frames, in all market conditions, whether trending or ranging, and it can enhance your trade accuracy by identifying key reversal and breakout zones. Okay, so the auto trend lines channels indicator for MT4 is actually an effective tool that any forex trader can want to try out, right? It simplifies trend line analysis, helps traders identify high probability setups, and works in all market conditions. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more forex trading content. Let me know in the comments how this indicator has improved your trading. See you in the next video, and happy trading.